Hi, welcome to today's core vocabulary word in action video. Our core vocabulary word that we'll be targeting in this video is it. It is a pronoun, and it is used to refer to a person or thing that's been previously mentioned. All right, now let's find the word it on our different AAC systems. On WordPower 60 Basic on the TouchChat app from Sotillo, it. On Lamp Words for Life, the 84 full vocabulary set from PRC, it. On the Snap Core First vocabulary from Toby Dynavox, it. Now let's use our word it for different functions of communication. I could label something and say, that's it. I could protest and say, no, that's not it. I could give a command or direct an action and say, move it here. I could ask a question and say, what do I do with it? I could chant or cheer on at a sporting event and say, get the ball, get it. I could comment and say, it is a beautiful day. I could request an item and say, I want it.